Hello friends, welcome to you all here in this particular session. Here we will discuss alphanumeric series. As you know, this is a particular topic which is very important in respect of your prelims examination. This is a particular topic in miscellaneous set I am talking about. You can easily score 3 to 4, even 5 marks, whatever the question comes in the respective examination in respect of PO or clerical prelims I am talking about. And in some case, in insurance examination, this kind of questions generally comes, but the level differs at to some extent. That is, in clerical examination and insurance examination, that is to some extent are similar, but in respect of prelims examination, the statement given in this kind of questions is little bit lengthier. So we will solve different kind of questions here based on PO and as well as the clerical examination. But yes, the way of solving this kind of question is very much important, because we have to minimize the time factor here so that we can devote this particular saving time in the other questions. That is, I am talking about the blood relation puzzle or the seating arrangement or some 2 to 3 variables employed in a particular puzzle in respect of prelims examination. It sometimes demands some longer time that what it actually demands. Maybe it because of your less practice or something else it can be, but yes, we will always try to solve this kind of questions in minimal time. That is our core intention here. So there is not much about the conceptual understanding in this kind of questions, but yes, the way of solving should be something that differs in significant aspect while you are taking the examination in respect of time factor I am talking about. So keeping that thing in mind, we will solve some questions here and let's see how efficiently we can solve this. Okay, so moving to the first set here, question number 1 to 4 here on your screen. The questions are based on 8 words given below, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? 8 words are given. And the question 1 here, if the second alphabet in each of these words is changed to the next alphabet in English alphabetical order, then how many words thus formed will an alphabet appear twice, right? So this second letter we have to change it to the immediate next letter. We can just do it here, Y, U, V, not necessary to write, but yes, I am writing for your better understanding. In examination, you should not write it, okay? U, T, Q, U, Z, Y, and then R, N, L, and T, S, H. I am just writing it because this is a first question, that's why, nothing else. This is U, this is V, right? This comes V. This L is 11, place value 11, so 12, L is 12, right? So what's the place value of M? That is 13, so this is M. I is 9, so this is J. This is Y, so this is Z. This is T, so this is U. This is Z, means this is A. This is L, that means M. And this is S, T, right? S place value is 19, so T is 20. That is it. Now we have to find out that in how many words thus formed will an alphabet appear twice. So here you can see Y, V, V, right? This one satisfy. J, M, B, no, this is not satisfying. W, J, T, no. D, Z, E, no. U, U, Q, yes, this is satisfying here. U, A, Y, no, this is not satisfying. R, M, no, this is also not. T, T, H, yes, this is satisfying. So Y, U, V, the first one, and U, T, Q and T, S, H. This is the base word what is given in the question. So our answer here is option B, 3 words, right? Moving to next. If the given words are arranged in the order as they would appear in the English dictionary order from left to right, okay. So arrange this according to the first letter. So first is D, Y, E. D, Y, E. Next would be J, 10. Anything else less than 10? Having the place value less than 10? No. So J, L, B. Next, so this is done, this is done. Then Q, R, S, T. So R is 18. R is 18. Next is R, L, N. Then T, U. Then U. two words UTQ and UZY. Which one comes first according to English dictionary? That is the second letter. Here is T, here is Z. Obviously UTQ would be, so UTQ. Next UZY. Next this is WIT and next YUV. So WIT, next is YUV. Now what's the question here? The position of which of the following word remains same as earlier? That means the position would be same. So which one having the same position? JLB, the second one. First one is not satisfying because YUV is at the extreme right end after the arrangement, whatever it's saying in the question. So JLB, the second one, yes, it's satisfying. The third one, no. Fourth, here is DYE, TSH, no. UTQ, the fifth one, yes, it's satisfying. Sixth one, UZY, this is also satisfying. WIT, here is RLN, so this is not satisfying, and not the eighth one as well. So only three. Here is answer option B. Moving to question number 3 here. If the given alphabets are arranged in English dictionary order from left to right in each word, then in how many words T comes at either end of the word? Either end means, that means suppose if a particular word T, S, T, this is either end because either can come in the extreme left end or the right end of the word. So this is just for example, and we have to just perform the respective operation here in this particular question. That is YUV. If the given alphabets are arranged in English dictionary order from left to right in each word, that means YUV. So YUV, which one comes first? Based on the place value, we have to decide here. So HTUV. So U comes first. U V Y. Right. The next one BJL. Next one is ITW. Right. Next one DEY. Okay, fine. Next TU. Next UYZ. Next, okay, this is NLNR, and next is HST. Right? Okay. So we are done with this. Alphabets are arranged in English dictionary order from left to right in each of this particular word. Right? In how many words T comes at either end of the word? See, here is no T, T is in the middle, no T, T is in the middle again, no T, L and R, no, HST, only one, right? Only one. So this is not, this is option C, this is just cut this end, this is one, okay? Option C is the answer here, right? Okay, moving to next. If all the either end letters are reversed and arrange them in an English dictionary order from left to right. Okay. So just reverse this letter here in each of this particular word, that is Y and V's position would be reversed, J and B's position would be reversed, W and T's position would be reversed, D and E similarly we have to make it, U and Q here, U and Y, and R and N becomes N and R, and T and H becomes H and T, but the position of S remains same. That means I am talking about the middle letter position, middle alphabet position would be same. Then we have to perform the English dictionary order arrangement from left to right according to the first letter, right? This is very common. So first of all, V, U, Y, next is B, L, J, T, I, W, E, Y, D, Q, T, U, okay, this is reversed, right? Okay. Y, Z, U or N, L, R and H, S, T, right? here one important thing you have to understand, that it's saying that if all the either end letters are reversed, right? Either end letters are reversed. Mark my words carefully here. If all the either end letters are reversed, that means it's not talking about the y and v's position reverse. No. If that would be the case, then it would be clearly mentioned that the position of either end letters would be exchanged, right? Not the reversed word. But here it's saying that all the either end letters are reversed. That means it's talking about the place value. I am just writing it intentionally to make a clarification here, that if this kind of scenario comes, that would be for not the reverse but the exchange the either end letters. That is the thing here, right? But here it's talking about the reverse, so we have to take this y place, not y but b. Place value total. How do we find out the reverse letter in respect of the place value? That is, if this is 25, total is 27. If we have to find out the reverse place value, that means 27 minus 25, that is 2. So 2 is for b. So b is here. B, u, and v, that is v. This is e, right? The next one, j, this is q, l, and this is b, means y. W, this is d, I, and T, that means G. Next, D means again W, Y, E means V. U, that means F, T, and J. Next, again F, because U is here, so Z, and Y means B. Then R means I, L, and M, and here it is G, S, S. This is the first one. I have told you earlier that this is the particular set which only can be done if it's talking about the exchange of either end letters, right? Exchange of either end letters. But it's talking about the reverse. Either end letters are reversed. That means we have to take the place value in reverse form, right? So that is it. Now, in English alphabetical order from left to right, we have to arrange. So first of all, B comes, right? So B, U, E is here. Then D, I, G, right? Then F, T, J. Then F, Z, B. Then G, S, S. Then I, L, M. Then Q, L, Y. Then W, Y, V, right? Now it's saying which of the following becomes the fifth to the right end of the one which is second from left hand. Second from left hand, fifth to right. Both are in opposite direction it's talking about. That means one is left, one is right. Irrespective of whatever the number, whatever the position comes, if it's saying that one is right and one is left, you just simply add these two particular position given and then find out from the right end or whichever purpose suits here. That means fifth to the right of the one which is second from left hand. Second from left hand, that means DIG, and fifth to right of this, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So QLY. So which is option B. QLY is the answer. I hope you understood this set. Now moving to the next set here. Okay. This is a particular comparatively lengthier number series question, that is in numbers, set of numbers is given here. Try to understand it. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below, right? This is the series particular. And question number 5 here. If 1 is subtracted from each even number, right? So each even number we have to subtract 1 and 1 is added to each odd number. We will not perform this whole operation from just by seeing this particular result. No, absolutely not. We will move further. What will be the difference between the digit which is 17 from left? 17 from left, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 in a grouping. It would be easy to get the answer in a faster pace. So this is 4, 4, 4 and 4, right? So 4 times 4, that means 16. So this is 7. This is the particular number for us now. And the digit which is ninth from the right end of the arrangement. Ninth from right, that means here is 3. You can just grouping it like this, 3, 3 and 3. That means this is the number for us. So 5 and here it's 7. Now try to implement this this particular statement. 1 is subtracted from each even number and 1 is added to each odd number. Now here you can see 7 and 5 both are odd number, and now you have to find out the difference. Even if I am not using this particular statement, then also we can get the correct answer. This is true. Why? Because 1 is subtracted, 1 is added to each of these odd number. Even if I am adding here 7 plus 1 8 and 5 plus 1 6, then also the difference would be same, because in both the cases I have to add or I have to subtract, because both are in similar in nature. That means either even number or odd number. Only in that sense we may not use this particular statement. Just by seeing the particular number stated in the particular question, you can simply mark it out. That is 2. Here is the correct answer. So option B is the answer here, right? I hope you understood this. Question number 6 here. In the given arrangement, how many ones are there, each of which is immediately followed by a perfect square? Now, how many ones are there which are immediately followed by perfect square? Mark this statement here. Immediately followed by a perfect square. So 1, 4, yes, this is 1, 2 square, 1, 3, no, 1, 8, no, this is 2 cube. So this is not the answer here. 1, 1. Now here may arise some confusion, but yes, I am saying here 1 square is again 1. So this is also a set, right? 1, 9. 9 is 3 square. So 1, 9 is also a set. 1, 4, again 1 set. So how many sets are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total 4 sets, right? 1, 2, 3, yes, total 4 sets. So option E, none. None means here is some confusion may arise again. That means none of these. Okay, so total how many ones are there, each of which immediately followed by a perfect square? That is 4. All right. I hope you understood this. Okay, moving to next. How many numbers are there which is immediately followed by double of that number? Suppose this is like this. If 2 is here, 4 is here, this is 1 set. If 1 is here, 2 is here, this is 1 set. Immediately followed by double of that number, right? So is there any number? Just check it. 2, 8, 1, 3, 2, 7, 4, 4, 2, 4. Yes, this is 1, 2, 4, only 1. So option B. Very easy, right? How many 5s are there in the above arrangement which is immediately preceded by odd number and immediately followed by a square number? So 5 is there, immediately preceded by odd number and immediately followed by square number. So how many 5s are there? Odd number and square. 9 is odd, 9, 5, 4. This is 1. Again, where is 5? 7, 5, 4. Again 1. Okay. 6, 5, 9. Again 1. But this is not odd number, right? So this is not the case here. Next, 2, 5, 5. 5, no. 5, 4, 5, no. 7, 5, 6, no. So only 2. 7, 5, 4 and 5, 4, 9, 5, 4. So 7, 5, 4 and 9, 5, 4, right? So option C, 2. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Moving to next. Okay, right. Here is a little bit higher level. You can see here. Here, alphabet, number and symbols all are included here in this set, right? Again, 4 questions. Question number 9 here. If all the alphabets and symbols are dropped from the given sequence, alphabets and symbols are dropped. That means only number would prevail here. Now, which of the following will be 8 number to the right of third from the right end? Now see, I told you earlier that if right and left or right, anyway 2 different combination is given, then you have to simply add this particular 2 places given, and then from the respective side, whichever suits you, you just can calculate that particular position of the number irrespective of alphabet, symbol or number, whatever it is being asked. But here 8th number to the right of the third number from the right hand. Third number from the right hand, this is, just fix it, this is third, right? The first one is third and this is 8. Yes, third from the, I think this is left one, third from the left hand, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, just fix this. The question is okay, just fix this. Here is a typo. Third from the right, this is 8 to the left, right? 8 to the left of the third number from the right hand. This is the question. This is not right, this is left. Just fix it out. Now third number from the right hand. Third number, and this is not also symbol, this is, yes, this is symbols. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. So this is number, right? And 8, this is symbol. Just fix this. I can understand that here is some mistakes in the question, but yes. If all the alphabets and numbers are dropped from the given sequence, which will be the 8 symbol to the left of the third symbol from the right hand? Third symbol from the right hand, just, I am just writing here. This is star, this is dollar, this is hash, this is to the power, this is at the rate, this is greater than, this is star, this is question mark, this is percentile, this is ampersand, this is exclamation, this is dollar again, this is hash, right? This is ampersand and this is again to the power. Now 1 2 3. Now 8 to the left of third from the right hand, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 at the rate. So option C is the answer. Okay, I can understand that there is some issue with the question itself, but I have fixed it out. You can understand now, there should not have any confusion. I am just repeating it here. If all the alphabets and numbers are dropped from the given sequence, which of the following will be 8 symbol to the left of third symbol from the right hand? Now I am telling you another important stuff here, that if left and right both the direction is given, then you can simply understand that the position of 2 would be added and then you can find out the respective position whichever is being asked here, right? Now here if right and right both the right direction is given, then you can simply take the difference of that particular and you can mark the correct answer based on the direction, whichever way you have to solve it. Okay, if right and right direction is given, then you have to take the difference. If right and left or in any way left or right combination is given, then you have to simply add both the places and then find out the respective answer. Okay, so moving to the next one. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on their positions in the above arrangement and hence form a group. Which of the following does not belong to that particular group? So there is not specific logic, but yes, depending upon the options, we have to find out which one is odd. So G exclamation question mark. Where is G? G is here. G exclamation 3 gap question mark. Okay. T, right? T is here. 1 2 3 T at the rate and 1 2 hash. Right? Again. So the first letter and then 3 gap comes the next, and then to the left hand side in between 2 gap, and then find the next to the left hand side of T, the first place, the first variable, symbol, alphabet, whatever it can be, right? The number. Then 8 1 2 3. Okay, 8 here also. 8 1 2 3. So 0 and this is 4, right? And here you also can see that 8 1 2 3, this at the rate, but 0 is not here, but 4 is also not here. You can say that this can be the answer, right? But you have to check. There are multiple options can be that, or the multiple possibility can be that you can find out that 8 and there is no particular relation is there. That may happen, but you have to check all the options. Whichever the best possible answer, you should mark it out. Okay, so here this is option C. We have to check here, right? So question mark here, 1 2 3, this is H, and 1 2 3, this is 3 gap, this greater than, right? This can be our answer. Let's check option E here. E, 1 2 3 7, and this is 2 gap 2, right? So option C is the answer. So understand the logic here, that G, then 2 3 gap exclamation, here 2 gap question mark. This kind of scenario is follows in all the 4 options except option C, right? So option C is the odd one, which is the answer for our case here, right? Question number 11. If all the symbols are dropped from the above arrangement, then how many letters are there which is immediately preceded and followed by a number? All the symbols are dropped, then how many letters are there which is immediately precedes and follows by a number? So how many letters, right? So letters should be here, right? And both sides precedes and follows by number and precedes by number. So see here, A is not possible because this is the starting one. U, no. F, number and symbol, no. T, it's not possible. X, also not possible. E, symbol and number, no. We have to find out a particular letter which also follows and precedes by number only. So R is not possible. G, H, no. T, E, N, X, right. X and F. I think there is not even a single set comes. Okay, if all the symbols are dropped, right? So all the symbols are dropped. This can be 4U8, right? This is 0, not possible. A3, right? This can be, symbols are dropped, so 7E2, this is 1. Symbols are dropped, so 2 are 2, this can be, right? Then P, no, not possible. G, H, 0, no. 2, N, 8, 7, X, F, not possible. So only 1, 2, 3. What are the sets? That are 4U8, 7E2, 2R2. So 3 sets. 1, 2, 3. So option D is the answer here, right? Which of the following is different from the rest in a particular logic? Right, again similar kind of questions. $3 U, $3, 2 gap U, right? Easy one. 3, 2 gap dollar and then U. H, 2 gap exclamation 2. This is also same. H, 2 gap exclamation 2. X, 2 gap at the rate to the power 6, not at the rate, X 6, right? Okay. Now 4, where is 4? 4F, 4, 1, 2, 3F, right? So 3F hash, this is odd one, most probably. Just check the next one. R, 1, 2, P percentile, yes, P percentile. So this is odd. Why? Because 4, 3 gap F hash. This is different. 4, 3 gap hash, right? So I hope this set is also clear to you. Now moving to the next one. This is the next set. This is a kind of new one. Just read it once. Read the following alphanumeric series carefully and answer the questions given below. This is the series here, alphanumeric series. Now step 1. Step 2 is performed after completion step 1 and then 2 questions, right? So step 1, what it's saying, if the letter is immediately followed by a symbol but not immediately preceded by symbol, then arrange them in an alphabetical order between percentile and 3. Okay, so this is it. Between percentile and 3, you have to arrange the letter in an alphabetical order. Right. So how many letters are there which is immediately followed by symbol but not preceded by symbol? Okay, so not symbol but followed by symbol. Letter followed by symbol. Right. Letter followed by symbol. No, letter followed by symbol, but this is 1. Right. Letter followed by symbol. Okay, this is 2. Letter followed by symbol, this is 3. And letter followed by symbol, okay, so this is 4. Letter followed by symbol, okay, there is one missing here, right? Yes, here is 1 at the rate. Just add it here. Here is 1 at the rate. This is 1 at the rate, so this can't be, right? This can't be. So only 3, K, Z and U, and arrange them between in an alphabetical order. That means K, U and Z. This is the alphabetical order between percentile and 3. Just write it. So step 1, this is question mark 2 $Q S 7 T star K. We have to arrange further. Then 5 9 C Z ampersand 6. Okay, Z is not here. Z is not here. This is ampersand 6 D 4 X percentile 3 at the rate O hash B. Okay, here percentile, then we have to arrange KUZ, KUZ, then 3, then at the rate, then O hash BL7. This is step 1. Now what's the step 2? If the symbol is immediately followed by letter, this is 1, then arrange them in the extreme right hand in the same order as it is finding out here. As we find out here, in whatever the order it comes, in the same order we have to arrange it in the extreme right hand after completion this particular set. So if the symbol is immediately followed by letter, so this is 1, symbol immediately followed by letter, this is 2, symbol immediately followed by letter, this is 3, and this is 1, so this is 4, right? So question mark 2 Q S, so okay, QS 7 T star 5 9 C ampersand 6 D 4 X percentile. Okay, percentile will not be there, but K, it is right, U Z 3 O B L 7, and then this is in whatever order it comes, that is dollar, this is percentile, this is at the rate, this is hash, right? Now solve the questions here. If all the composite numbers are dropped from the series, composite number means even plus odd number, but one specific condition, that these numbers having factors except having factors, right, other than 1 and the number itself, right? This is composite number. Okay, so which are the composite number here? That is 9 here, 6 here, 4. Okay, 9, 6, 4. Which of the following is 11th element from right hand after series 1? Okay, so which is the composite number? That is 9 here, 6 here, 4 here. Okay, 11th element from right hand. So this is 3, 5, 3, 5, 10. So percentile. So option D is the correct answer. Right? In step 2, how many letters are there between star and 3? Star and 3. This is 3 and this is star. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. Right? So option B. Okay. C, D, X, K, U, Z. 6 letters. So this is also okay. 2 questions here in this set. I hope you understood this. Now moving to the next one. This is a number based series. 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers is given. And 8 3-digit numbers. And we have to solve these 4 questions here. Right? Question number 15. If 3 is added to the first digit of each of these numbers, then how many numbers thus formed will not be divisible by 3? Mark this particular statement, will not be divisible by 3. So if 3 is added to the first digit of each of these number, even if 3 is already divisible by 3, so I will not add this 3 with this number, but rather I will check with this number whether it's divisible by 3 or not. If this number is divisible by 3, then obviously after adding 3, that number would also be divisible by 3. So there is no importance of adding this 3 in this stage, right? So just check the divisibility rule of 3 here. Now 6, 3, 5, 8, 8. 6 is divisible, 3 is divisible, but 5 is not divisible. So this is not the answer here, right? This is not countable one. 8, 4, 12. Yes, this is 1. 8, 12. This is 1. 6. Yes, this is 1. This is 8, 9, 4. No. This is 3, 10. No. This is 5, 9. Yes, this is possible. 6, 7. No, this is not possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers, right? And now you can add 3 with these respective numbers and check whether this is divisible by 3 or not. But again, I am saying there is no importance of adding 3 with this particular number because the number 3 is itself divisible by 3. So just checking the particular the set of numbers, the group of numbers given in this particular question, you can easily find out how many numbers thus formed will not be divisible by 3. That means this 635, 184, 328 and 724. Now here you can see 6, 3, 5 is here, 5 plus 3, 8. For the confirmation I am talking, right? If this is 635 would not be there, but 630, yes, 635 is there. So 5 is not divisible. Adding 3 would not be divisible. And 184, 189, 4, 4 is extra. 4, 3 also not divisible. 3 is divisible, but 8 plus 1, 9, 1 is extra. 3 is already divisible. So 1 is again extra. So 724, 7 to 9 and 4, 4, that means 1 extra. Again 3 is here. So 1 is extra. So that means there is no importance of checking the addition of 3 here. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 numbers would not be divisible by 3. Right? Moving to next. If all the digits in each of the numbers are arranged in descending order within the number, which of the following will be third highest number? So arrange the digits in each of this number and arrange them in descending order within the number. That means digits of each number are arranged in descending order within the number. Let's do it. So 653, then 840, then 843, then 420, then 841, then 832, then 540, then 742. These are the set which is asked to do. Now, which of the following will be third highest number? So, first highest number, that is 843, right? Second highest, third highest, so 840. 840 is the third highest number, right? So, 840. What's the base number? Just mark my words carefully, that after changing this number in descending order within the after changing the digit within each of this particular number, if the number changes, that would not be the answer. Intentionally, it may be given in the option that changing number is given, and you should may mark that number as the answer, but that is not the case. Whatever the number comes in respect of the third highest number, from where this number comes, that means the base number, we have to mark that only. That means 840. In this case, both are same, but yes, this is what I have to tell you. That is it, right? If all the digits are added, then which number gives highest value? Okay, so add this 6, 5, 8, 14. So first one 14, next one is 12, next one is 12, 15, right? Yes, this is 6, this is 12, 13, this is 13, again 9, this is 6, 13. So third one, that means 384, option C. Moving to next, if all the digits are arranged in reverse order in each number, then which one becomes fourth highest number? Okay, so reverse order you have to write. If all the digits are arranged in reverse order, write it. 536, then 0, 48, that means 48, then 483, right, then 42, then 481, then 823, then 54, and then 427. Now fourth highest number, so first highest, this is 823, 536 second, this is third, and this is 4. So 481, what's the base number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 184. 184, option A is the correct answer. So I hope you understood this question, the set of questions here we have discussed well. Now moving to the next one, and this would be the final one. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 numbers is given having 4 digit in each of this number, right? So 2 questions is here. This is 20. If all the odd digits in each of the number is decreased by 1 and all the even digits of the number is divided by 2, the form are arranged in descending order from left to right, even numbers, then after doing this operation, whatever the even number comes, then those particular numbers we have to arrange in descending order from left to right, and then we have to arrange the odd numbers in ascending order at the right hand side, right? That is common. So odd numbers decrease by 1 and the even numbers divided by 2. Easy. So this is 2, 8, 2. This is 4 divided by 2. This is 4. This is 4, 8. So 2, 4, 3 and 0. This is 4, 1, 2, 3. Right. This is 2, 6, 3, 4. This is 3, 4, 0, 1. Right. This is 6, 1, 0, 4. These are the numbers after doing this operation. Now it's saying that the form numbers are arranged in descending order. The even numbers is talking about. So these are even numbers. Only these two are odd numbers, right? So these two we will arrange later. But first of all, arrange all these numbers, the even numbers, in descending order from left to right. So which is the highest one? That is 6104. So 6104. The next one is 2824. The next one is 2634. Next one is 2430. Next one is, and now these two, all the 4 even numbers we have arranged here. Then the odd numbers are arranged in ascending order. Odd numbers, that means 3401 first in ascending order it's talking about. So 3401, then 4123. Right. Now what it's saying, then which of the following numbers will be third from the left end of the sequence? Third from the left end of the sequence, that means 2634. Again I am saying, if this number given in the option, that is not the answer but the base number. 2634, 2634. that means 1 2 3 4, so 3 7 6 8, 3 7 6 8. Okay, so in options it's given like this, but this would be better. 3 6 7 4, so 3 7 6 8, right? But here one thing you have to understand, that the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Which of the following numbers will be third from the left hand? Okay, so particular in this set it's talking about, right? Okay, so this is fine. Which of the following numbers will be third from the left end of the sequence? So this particular sequence is talking about, so then because only this option is available here, so only option D is correct, right? Okay, there should not be any confusion, because in this set, after doing this operation, these 6 numbers here, out of these 6 numbers, whichever comes from the third from the left end of the sequence, so this particular sequence it's talking about, so there is not necessary to go to the base number, but whatever the sequence is given in this particular arrangement, that should be our preferable choice, right? Okay, moving to next. If the digits of all the numbers are arranged in an ascending order within the number from right to left, okay, see, right to left in an ascending order, that means what? If I write, suppose 1 2 3 4, this is also the ascending order from right to left, that means what? Can you conclude this in some different manner, in some different phrase? That means in descending order from left to right, 4 3 2 1, right? So we just follow this pattern, that descending order, the digits are to be arranged in each of this particular number, and in descending order from left to right. Okay, so this is first one 9 5 4 3, then 8 6 4 1, then 6 5 4 2, okay, then 8 7 6 3, then 8 6 2 1, then 8 7 2 1, right? Now arrange descending order from left to right, then the numbers thus formed are to be arranged in descending order from left to right. Now the numbers have to be arranged in descending order from left to right. So descending order, that means the maximum, the highest one would come first, and then 8 7 6 3, right? The numbers are quite close here, so be careful while you are arranging this number in a descending order. 8 7 6 3, then 8 7 2 1, 8 6 4 1, 8 6 2 1, then 6 5 4 2. 6 numbers are here, yes, right? Now what would be the sum of the second digit of the third number from left hand? Second digit of the third number from left hand, that is 7 here, right? And the third digit of the fourth number from right hand, third digit of the fourth number from right hand, that is 2. So what's the sum here? The same number, 2 digit, that is 9 here. So option B is the answer, right? So I hope you understood all the questions I have discussed here. These are the kind of questions which comes in prelims, and we have discussed most of the different kinds of question comes in respect of alphanumeric series. So practice this kind of questions would only help you to minimize the time factor. I have told you the different ways in which way you can solve this kind of questions in during the examination, but yes, practice only makes to get this kind of questions in an efficient manner while you are taking the exam. So be practice more number of questions would only serve the purpose. So I have discussed every type of questions here. I hope you understood all the questions, all the ways I have discussed in different kind of questions here in alphanumeric series, and that is all for now, and good time.